Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tech and Tech Electronics. Today we are talking about what we call Infinix Zloop4. It's been a long time not giving you tips and reviews about technology, but I'm back once again. So today I want us to go ahead. We talk about what we call Zloop4. We see what is best about these open earbuds. Let's first proceed with unboxing. Before that, you can see it comes in a small box. uh, yeah, this is the Infinix barcode. If you want to check whether it's original, you can scan this, then you check the serial number from there. Yeah, so the box also works as a user menu guide. If you want to know how earbuds works, like the battery, whatever, you can go ahead and you first read on the box. So let's go ahead and we do unboxing. So this one comes with a warranty card. If you want to, you can fill it and you leave it with the wholesaler or the person who has given this to you. Yeah, then it also comes with the user guide menu. So this is the user guide menu. Let's go ahead, open it to see whether it comes in a different languages. Yeah, so this one comes in different languages: English, Arabic, and other languages. As you can see, it gives you the instructions how to use this product. You can go ahead and you check. We are not going into this. Once you buy it, you can go ahead and you check to know how you can use it very well. So in the box, that's what we find in the box. This is the USB. It comes with type C. This is type C. However, nowadays we have common C to C, but you can go ahead and use this one. This one is a C to USB 2.0. Then finally we go to what we call Zloop4. So this Zloop4 was released in April 2026. So meaning we are doing late unboxing. However, it's not too late. Yeah. So what we see in the box is the earbuds, as you can see. Then it comes with protection. Once you remove these ones, then they will automatically go on. Once you put them on like this, now they can be findable via the Bluetooth. Then again, let's go ahead and we see the box it is ultra slim, as you can see. Then it has lightweight. Then we call, how do we call these ones? We call them open ear cloud wearable design, as you can see. Yeah, it has LED light here, but once it is connected, the light goes off, so you don't need to worry that your ear will always keep glittering. Yeah, then it has a 16 to 10 millimeter large custom design, and the connectivity. Actually, what I loved about this open ear cloud wearable design, they come with the 6.0 Bluetooth. It supports multiple devices. You can connect like 2 3 devices on same earbuds. You understand? Then the battery life of each earbud can go up to 6 hours, up to 6 hours of use. Then once you put it in, it can take less than 30 minutes to get full. Then the case, it comes with a 400 million amperes battery size, meaning you don't need to worry. Once you charge this one from home, it can take you like 3 to 4 days without charging. Yeah, as a once you read here, they give you 25 hours total use, but as you know, it's very rare to find that you can use this one the full day without resting. So once you use like 4 hours, you can rest. If you use it like that, it can go up to 3 to 4 days. But once used consecutively from morning to evening, it can take you up to 25 hours. Meaning if you have a journey from here to, for example, from Uganda to Paris, the one that takes long hours, it is enough for you. Yeah, so let's go ahead. That was about the battery. Then already we talked about the battery size. As you can see, the battery, it is written here. You know, whether you can see clearly. You see the battery size, it is 400, and then it has output of 5V. Battery capacity, I've seen it, 400 million amperes. They are made in China. As you can see, as you know, all infinix designs all are made from, sorry, infinix products all are made from China, but they are one of the Africa's standard products. Yeah, so about the durability, it has the IPS 55 rating, dust and the splash protection for the earbuds. So meaning if it is raining and it is not too heavy rains, no worries, you don't need to worry about the rain. So those splashes, they are okay with it. And you can see there, it is this one is called the dust protection. Yeah, dust cannot go in the inside here. It has what we call splash protection, water cannot enter, something like that. So it has controls here, as you can see from this. You can see from this, you see it has a multiple function button. From here, as you can see, it has multiple functions. So it has touch tap controls for music calls and the dedicated gaming mode. Like if you want to change to gaming mode, if you can read through here, you can know how to change to gaming mode. You can change music mode, like that. Yeah, so that's what I like about these AirPods. As you can see in the video, when you are wearing them, they don't they are outside. They cannot inch you. Those who say that AirPods that come with rubbers, it affects them. So this one doesn't enter your ear. It just keeps outside, as it is called open ear cloud wearable design. They cannot affect your ear. They are outside, and the sound that they give, guys, the sound is too loud. Guys, those who know you don't like such earbuds with rubbers, most of us, we say that such rubbers, they make our ears itch. So if you know you don't like such, these are the best earbuds for you. You can go for this open cloud design that can sit outside the ear without any interfering. And what I like about these earbuds, they came with a Bluetooth 6.0. It's one of the latest Bluetooth versions. Again, they support IP54 water resistance, meaning you don't need to worry if it falls in water and you quickly remove it, or when it is raining, those splashes, they cannot affect it. And again, the battery life, not forgetting the 25 hours, it's super dope. 400 is enough for the earbuds. So just know that Zloop4 is designed for, and it is designed for daily workouts, gaming, and any daily use. Those who want comfortable life, you are having a chat with your colleague, and you don't need always removing your earbuds. So just try this.